Let's first look at how can we get the LFN app. Learn from Native application is available for all the Android users on the Google Play Store. All you have to do is simply install the application in your mobile phones and open it up to enter your information. Upon installing, you will be able to see two options in the application. If you're a new user, you can simply click on the pink button and sign up. Here you will be asked to provide some basic information. Please do not worry, all your information and your data is kept confidential and secured. You can simply sign in by providing your name and mobile number and verify it with an OTP. Else you can sign up using Google, Facebook or Windows account. This is the Learn from Native homepage. As you scroll ahead, you will be able to see we're offering you a free demo class or a free live learning class with our Native American tutor. You can book a class by clicking the Book Now button and then selecting the slot that is the most convenient to you amongst the available ones. Once you choose your slot and book the class, you shall get the confirmation on your booking. On further scrolling down on the homepage, you would find a section Programs that offers our paid live courses with the native tutors. For the live classes, it is important that you select which level you want to enroll for. Based on your proficiency, you can choose from beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. However, if you are confused which level to choose from, you can go on the home page, click on the curriculum section and see what each level offers you. If you are still not sure, you can go back to choose the level section and appear for our test. Based on your results, our algorithm will suggest a level for you. Once you decide the level, you can go ahead and make the payment for the plan you have selected. After which you will get options to book the class according to the various slots available. Here, do not worry, all the data is completely and absolutely secured. On booking the paid plan, you will also be given a cashback of a particular amount in the form of LFN coins that you can also use to avail other services. The details of these cashback coins will be available in Choose a Level section. Next on the home page, you will be able to have information on our teachers in our About Our Teachers section from the bottom bar. And here you will be able to see everything about our native tutors, including their experiences and educational backgrounds. Also on the home page, you will be able to see the learning experience section, which gives honest feedback from our previous and existing learners. In our app, we have much more than the demo and the live class. You can easily go to the free learning section from the bottom bar, and you would see features like flashcards, speaking club, free courses and audiobooks. While audiobooks is still coming soon, flashcards, free courses and speaking club are very much functional. Flashcards is one of those areas where you can enhance your vocabulary across various themes through our flashcards, where we give theme-based words, its meaning and its usage. This resource is absolutely free to use. Let's explore one of the flashcards based on the theme entertainment. Here, look at the first word given out to you. It's docudrama. Let's click on this card and see more details about it. So it means movie or show based on true story. So you see how its meaning and the usage has also been provided. Similarly, you can access other flashcards based on various other themes as well. Next comes our free courses, where you can learn various English topics through the pre-recorded videos from our native tutors at no cost at all. You have various levels here as well. For beginners, you have a different one, and so is for Language Pro, Intensive English, and Advanced level as well. Our speaking club is a unique feature where you can use your LFN 300 coins for unlocking the club and booking one slot where you will get an opportunity to practice speaking with our language experts who will give you feedback and thus help you improvise on your language. So hope you guys have got a 360-degree view of our application. So what are you still waiting for? Download the Learn from Native app now.